Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Leaf battery. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. Before touching anything, disconnect the 12-volt auxiliary battery. This is a critical first step to prevent electrical hazards. Also, ensure the vehicle is completely powered off and the high-voltage service plug is safely removed. These initial precautions are essential for a secure working environment. Once safety measures are in place, the next step is to prepare the vehicle. Safely lift the car using a suitable hoist or sturdy jack stands, ensuring it is stable. Next, you will need to remove the various underbody covers that protect the battery pack. This will expose the entire assembly. Carefully disconnect all high-voltage cables and any other electrical connectors attached to the battery. Take your time with each connection to avoid damage. Now we move to the main task of detaching the battery pack itself. You will find numerous fasteners, often over 20, securing the battery pack to the vehicle's chassis. Systematically unbolt each one. Before completely removing the last bolts, position a specialized transmission jack or a similar sturdy lifting device directly underneath the battery pack. This equipment is crucial for safely supporting its substantial weight. Then, carefully lower the entire battery pack from the vehicle. After successfully removing the battery pack, the final steps involve its safe handling and storage. Carefully transport the removed battery pack to a secure, designated area. It is important to remember that these battery packs are incredibly heavy, often weighing over 600 pounds, so proper lifting and moving equipment is essential. Finally, ensure that the battery is disposed of or recycled according to all local and environmental regulations. This is a critical step for environmental responsibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.